right, this chapter is all about graphing lines. So far we've done it with a t-chart, which took a long time. Then we used two critical points, the x and the y-intercept. A little bit of math, wasn't too bad. But what we want to get to is where we can graph without any math. And that's where we can graph using the slope-intercept form of the equation. The slope-intercept form of the equation is y equals mx plus b. The key is you must have the y alone in order for this to work. Now we know already that m is the French word for montagne, which means slope, and the slope is rise over run. We know it's a fraction. Also, the b here stands for the y-intercept, and we know that we can graph this as 0b. So whatever this number is, positive or negative, that's the value of the x-intercept. All right, so let's take a look at how we would do this. Let's take a look at y equals negative 4/3 x plus 1. The first thing you're going to do is start with the b, the y-intercept. That's the one point you know where the line is going to cross the y-axis. So here we have positive 1. So that means on my y-axis, I'm going to graph positive 1, or 0, 1. Okay? That's my first point. Now, since I know that's a point where it crosses right there, I'm going to start there, and I'm going to do my slope staircase to find the next point. So I have negative 4 over 3. So let me see. This is my rise, and my rise is negative. So I'm going to go negative 1, 2, 3, 4, and positive 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, only one of those numbers is negative. But it doesn't matter which number is negative. So I could go the other way. I could say positive 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, over negative 3, 1, 2, 3. Both cases will work for me. And then look, I have points. I can connect them. And there's my line. No math. Find the point, draw the stair step. Well, you say, all right, Mrs. Woolley, but what happens over here when I don't have a fraction? All right, so I have y equals 2x minus 3. Now I'm going to start with my y-intercept. Whatever this number is, that's where it crosses the y-axis. So this is negative 3, so that's my first point. Negative 1, 2, 3. 0, 3, there's my first point. That's my point where it crosses the y-axis. I'm going to start here. I'm going to make my staircase. And you go, yeah, but Mrs. Woolley, there's only a 2 there. Well, we're going to make it a fraction, right? Any whole number would be 2 over 1. All right. And it's positive, so I'm going to say positive 2 over positive 1. I'm going to do it again just to make sure. Positive 2, positive 1. Now when I connect my points, and just to double check at the end, this is a positive slope, so my line is positive. This is a negative slope, so my line is negative. That's simple. Plot the point, make the stair step, connect the lines. And remember, you know you love math.